In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play TSB on console, either Xbox, PlayStation 4, or PlayStation 5. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna showcase how you can find and join the strongest battlegrounds on any console of your choice. So all that you have to do is open Roblox and in here, look for TSB, so the strongest battlegrounds. Now, of course, I am doing this on a PC, but this is going to work flawlessly on any console. I'm only recording on my PC so I can get higher quality footage, but you will be able to look for and join the strongest battlegrounds on any console. So once you find the experience, go ahead and join. You will join into a random public server where other people will also be playing. So you will be able to move around using the left stick, look around using the right stick, and then you will have all of your abilities. So you can jump with A, block with X, Y to dash, B to attack, and you can press down on the left stick to lock onto someone. By using L1, L2, R1, and R2, also known as left bumper, left trigger, and right trigger, you will use your abilities. So for example, if I press left trigger, I'll use Lethal, Whirlwind, Scream. So everything works flawlessly, everything will be mapped out, and all that you have to do is join the experience. You can use the select option here to navigate through all of the menus, so you can still change characters. As you can see, I was able to press select or start on my controller to navigate through those menus. And once I have everything changed, I can go ahead and resume playing. It is simple to do and it should work on any console. As long as you join the strongest battlegrounds, everything will be adjusted for you automatically, and there is no difference from playing on PC. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you play TSB on any console, consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. If you subscribe, you can help us from the channel bring you the highest quality solutions to your problems and videos related to Roblox. So I highly count on your subscription. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.